When the world was divided by caste, race, and lineage, Islam came with a message that changed everything. A message that did not ask where you came from, but who you are as a human being. At the time of Prophet Muhammad, people were proud of their tribes, their bloodlines, their social status. One tribe believed it was superior to another. One color claimed power over another. Islam broke these chains. The Prophet taught that no human is born superior, and no human is born inferior. Status was not decided by birth, wealth, or family name. A companion once asked a question that reflected society's thinking. Is an Arab better than a non-Arab? Is a white person better than a black person? The answer became one of the strongest messages in history. The Prophet Muhammad declared that there is no superiority of an Arab over a non-Arab, nor of a non-Arab over an Arab. No superiority of a white over a black, nor of a black over a white, except by righteousness and character. Then came an example the world could never forget. Bilal ibn Rabah, R.A., a former slave, a man judged by society for his color, was chosen to give the call to prayer. His voice echoed from the mosque, proving that honor in Islam is earned by faith, not by caste or race. Islam never introduced caste. Islam removed it. If today people divide themselves in the name of caste, they are not following Islam. They are following man-made walls. Because Islam teaches only one identity. We are all human, is the one with the best character.